Okay, here I've taken off the diode. I found the volts when I turned it off. It was still 12.64 volts. Now I took the diode off and hooked it back up. And it's beeping like it's going out of power level. There's no power level meter, LED on, nothing. The voltages are jumping. I got a good white spark gap. Lamp is fully lit. 390 milliamps. It should be dead. It should be going dead. And I get these high voltages on the battery terminals. Really high. They're jumping way up there. Let's see. Oh, I can't believe that. 1800 volts. It's overloaded at 20. When it skips something there, it means it's higher voltage, but I don't get it. See, it's jumped, there's nothing there, so I'm going to go up to the high voltage scale. Where's that voltage coming from? Gotta be radiant energy. Maybe this guy's even picking up stuff. I don't know, put an antenna on that thing. If I put a jumper on it, it might act like an antenna for all I know. I don't know. See if it acts like an antenna. I don't know. Put one on the other side too. But there's no DC. I don't get it. That's AC waves. There ain't no pulsed air that I know of. I don't know how to do this. Get on there real good. Now if it's picking up anything from that, it should be going dead. Yet it's still running. The voltage has gone down. They just don't get it. That's radiating AC all over the place. I'm going to shut it off just temporarily. The voltage is climbing back up. I don't know why. It's going right back up. It started at 12.64 volts. And it's climbing back up. If it goes back up to 12.64 again, it's recuperating somewhere, somehow. I don't have anything going back to the battery. I just had an inverter plugged into these two antennas on each pole. I don't think they make a difference. I got a diode on there. Cathode side going to the negative pole of the battery. See, look at this, 1255 and climbing. So I'm going to wait a while. There's a battery resting voltage when everything's calmed down. I want to see if it goes back up to 12.64 again. It only needs, well, look at that. Going right back up to it. I think I ran at least 5 or 10 minutes. Look at that. It's going back right up. I don't get it. Just don't get it. Just in a few minutes, the voltage goes right back up. Look at that, it's still climbing. Can't understand that. And that's at least the bulb's running at 40 watts. It's a 100-watt bulb. How do you explain that? So the battery that runs the inverter that pulses a 60 hertz AC through the ballast through a high voltage TV flyback that increases the voltage very high. That's pulsing L1, which mutually inducts L2, and I got ferrite in there, and I got a spark gap. There it is, 12.63. It'll probably go up again if I wait a couple minutes here. It's the resting voltage of the battery when it's at rest. See, it's going back up to 6.64. I am recording. Yeah. It might even go up more. It likes 12.64 for some reason. And it keeps going back to it like memory or something. The alarm was ringing, but yet it still goes back up. Anyway, I'm going to stop the camera here and observe the voltage. I'm going to let it rest a while. See, it's going to 6.5 now. Where's that coming from? Where is that coming from? It's like something's charging it back up when it's off. I don't know. That's a fully charged battery again. I'm going to shut it off here, see if it goes up even further.